Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo of the Frosted Pineapple Bath Bomb by Bird Bath & Body Co. This bath bomb is scented in Pineapple Temptation. And so now without further ado, let's just get this little guy right into the water. Alright guys, so I think I might just go ahead and leave that there. There's still quite a lot of bath bomb to go, but my water is going to get cold if I don't kind of hop in soon. So I'm just going to crush this bit up and just kind of go like this into the water, and oh my goodness, look at all of that beautiful, beautiful foam. I love that so much. We've got a gorgeous like kind of lime green colored water. It smells absolutely beautiful in here. And so anyway guys, if you are enjoying my content, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're there, why not click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.